it. Tap the cinnamon container twice until low, releasing a little bit of cinnamon. Put a splash of milk into the batter. Mix the batter with a fork. Heat up the stove about 5/8 of the way. Grab a pan, place it in the stove, grease it with olive oil or canola oil. Dip your wholemeal bread and place it on the pan. Repeat with another slice of wholemeal bread if there is room on the pan. Flip bread once lightly brown. Once both sides have a nice light brown color, then take it off the pan, put it on a plate, and do the eggs used in the batter. Provides good source of energy for the start of the day due to the carbs from the bread. French toast is only good for you when consumed without any added toppings.
Step 1, crush the almonds. Step 2, get a banana and cut it in half and put it in the blender with the almonds. Add milk and blend it to smooth.
Step 1. Fill a bowl with 2 tablespoons of olive oil and Dijon mustard. Step 2. Slice the tofu. Step 3. Place the tofu in the bowl to marinate for 30 minutes. Step 4. Preheat the grill to medium heat and grease it with olive oil. Step 5. Slice some tomatoes. Step 6. Dice the onion, because a good onion is good for your health. Step 7. Combine your sandwich. Add spinach, add your vegetables, add your tofu, add some sesame seeds, and place on the grill until golden brown. Step 8. Slice the sandwiches, serve them, and add spinach on the side, and if you're brave enough, add wasabi. Now you're getting your carbs from your bread, your protein from your tofu, minerals, vitamin and energy from your vegetables, and you're also helping your immune system with your wasabi. And if you want a soft drink, have some soda water.
For now, I am making a chicken sandwich.
Boat snack! You are gonna stay here with the other chicken.
Spinach across the top of the chicken. Make sure you spread them out evenly. Finally, put the tomatoes on top. The macronutrients in this meal are protein because of the chicken. And some macronutrients are the chicken again, and the tomatoes and the baby spinach. Lastly, the bread, which should look something like this.
Tell me one more beautiful lie. One touch and I ignite.